Hello again, I am back and I'm just trying something new doing the resin pour. I've got my heart here, which is birch ply. I got it from art school. Seriously, I forgot. So I'll leave the link where I got it from anyway. And I have mixed my resins. I got So Teal, which I have mixed in this one. Got green furry, they're both my favorite. It's really shiny. And I have got here gray, smoky gray and glitter, which have mixed as well. So I just waited like 20 minutes after mixing it because I want it a little bit thicker. The thing I want to try, it needs to be thicker than I can do it. So now I'm going to start. Not sure it's going to work or not, or need a little bit more waiting, or but I just want to give it a go and see how it goes. So this is green furry, and I am just going like this. Shall I go next line or shall I wait? This is the perfect, that's what I actually wanted to go for, but I have to be very careful when I do that. So I'm just going to leave that one there, and I go for my next color. This is going to start getting thickened up soon as well, so I have to work fast. And I think this is the consistency what I want to go for is the right one. That's done. It's done. So the next one. Wish I could work fast. Oh, loving it so far. So I'm going to use this one. It comes with the nail equipment when you put the nail out. So this one I am using, and I am going to go just like this and come back, then go back again and come back, then you go back again, come back again, come back, go back again, So this is how it looks, and it is started getting thickened. That's what I wanted, to wait until it get thickened and then I can do it. So I'll show you the close look of it, how it looks. I will do the one clear coat and then it's ready to hang. So thank you guys for watching. So the next step, I'm going to paint this bit. It is optional. If you don't want to do it, you don't need to, but I would like getting all the same color. So put the tape at the back, and I'm going to pour last layer of resin on it, clear resin. So I'm using Iridescence green, blue and Pibio brand just to paint on the sides. Brush here, and I'm just taking just like this, and I'll go all over. This doesn't take too long to dry. I'm just putting on wood, not on a resin. I've got thick layer of resin on top, but just going over this one. So I'll keep it for maybe 2 hours. It doesn't take too long to dry, but I prefer to keep it longer. So if you find any paint going on top, just keep wiping so you don't get on resin. So once it gets clear resin on top, it will look really nice. So next step, I am just going to wipe if I see any paint there. So that's it. Now I will wait until it dries. You can see how it looks, and then I'll put the clear resin coat on the top. So the paint is dry now, you can see, and I'm going to put the last layer of resin. So I got my tape at the back, so when I take it off, the drips will come off easily. So got my resin ready here to pour. Already mixed for 3-4 minutes, and as you can see, it's clear. It's quite bubbly, but I'll be using my heat gun. So I'm just doing thin layer. I'm just going to pop the bubbles first. And will go over them. Got my silicone brush. I'm going gently to cover all the top surface. So that's it, and be ready tomorrow. So let it dry and heal, and then it will be hang on the wall. Thank you for watching, guys. So here it is after the final top coat. It looks like it is, and you can see how shiny and glossy it is. So I'll try to take the tapes off. I have to use my heat gun because you can see that some drips there. So I'll use my heat gun to get the tape off. Let me just take this off. So you can see how easily it can come off, and that is, it's not going, you can just keep just like this. Got one more here. That's it. Can't see any drips there, so see how clean it is at the back. Got a tiny bit here which I'm going to sand off, so when I sand it, it will go away. A little bit drip here which needs to go. So it's my lovely heart is done. Hope guys you like the video, and let me know if you want me to do any more pattern or anything else you like. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.